Your 20s feel like a rush. Money comes and goes without warning. These 9 money lessons would have saved me stress, debt, and wasted time. Learn them early, and your future self will thank you every day. When I started writing down small expenses like snacks, rides, and subscriptions, everything changed. Knowing where your money goes gives you control and helps you fix mistakes early. 3 to 6 months of savings may sound boring until a job loss, family emergency, or hospital bill shows up. A safety net keeps you calm and avoids debt. Even small amounts grow when you give them time. Don't wait for the perfect moment. A tiny start today beats a big start years later. People brag about fast profits, but you rarely hear about fast losses. Focus on steady growth and learning, not excitement. Before bills and shopping, save a little for yourself. Treat saving like rent, non-negotiable. Credit can open doors when used carefully or trap you when used carelessly. Borrow only for things that build your future. Degrees help, skills pay. Learn something people need and practice daily. The more valuable your skill, the more valuable your time. Someone will always seem ahead. Don't let comparison kill your confidence. Growth takes time. Stay focused on your lane. The choices you make today shape your life years from now. Enjoy life, but protect your future too. Make decisions your older self will respect. If this helped you, save the video so you can return to it later and subscribe for more clear money lessons, one step at a time.